using a bronzer, I like to do either a cream or a powder. This is the cream product that I like to use, and this is the powder one. And the main difference of a bronzer from a contour product is that when you are bronzing the skin, you are adding color to the skin, and when you are contouring, you are putting shadows onto the face. So I will swatch for you the bronzer with a contour shade from this palette. So I'm just using this one right here. And so a contour product is more of like a cool brown with a bit of gray because you are creating a shadow. So that's what it looks like. And then the bronzer is more of a warm brown, and this is what it looks like beside the contour. So this is your contour shade and this is your bronzing shade. So you can already tell this one is warmer than the contour shade. So that is the main difference of a bronzer and a contour powder. So I'm just going to use this powder bronzer, and the general rule is to apply the bronzer in a 3 or backward 3 shape, hitting the forehead, cheek, and jawline. And you want to make sure to blend that bronzer and make it look very seamless. And you want to also hit certain points of the face where the sun would normally hit you, like down the bridge of the nose, a bit on the cheeks, and the forehead. And I'm now moving on to this highlighting palette, and I'm just using the bronzy shades just to add that sunlit glow. And there you go, this is our bronzed makeup look, and I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'll see you guys next time.